This is more than a phone. This is more than a device. This is a revolution in workplace productivity. Introducing the all-new SpectraLink 8450 from Polycom, the only Wi-Fi voice and data solution that meets the critical communication needs of mobile employees in today's workplace. An industry innovation, the integrated barcode scanner ensures accurate and efficient data input, while hands-free communication and peripheral device integration improve productivity. Push-to-talk functionality enhances workgroup collaboration, and the large color display ensures that critical information is always in the palm of your hand. Intelligent, powerful, and customizable, the SpectraLink 8450 goes beyond voice because it integrates with mission-critical applications via a flexible XML-based API. For example, healthcare workers now have a single device for real-time communication and critical patient care applications, enhancing speed and accuracy at the point of care. Retailers use the SpectraLink 8450 for instant access to inventory lookups or price checks, improving customer satisfaction, sales, and productivity. And manufacturers and distributors use the SpectraLink 8450 for immediate access to critical people and information, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. It's also an IT department's dream come true. The SpectraLink 8450 streamlines network infrastructure and simplifies deployment by eliminating the need for multiple devices. It leverages existing enterprise IT investments through the industry's broadest support for standard wireless networking and IP telephony. Furthermore, over-the-air updates and advanced diagnostic tools minimize downtime and help predict and prevent network problems. Once again, Polycom takes communication to the next level and sets a new standard in voice-over wireless LAN by delivering unsurpassed productivity to the mobile employee. With Polycom voice, video, and telepresence solutions, people around the world now connect and collaborate more productively than ever before.